All right, so once you've hit submit, you'll be given an opportunity to explore some other options for your book. Now, this is an interesting opportunity for you because you can actually start your print book from here if you don't have a print book already. So this is a great place to start. Let's go over some of this. So we get the success message. So we know that this book with this cover has been published. You can check your publishing progress at a glance from the View Book page. That is the first page you see when you log in at Draft2Digital. So there will be an indicator to show you what stage your book is in. And remember, it's yellow, green, and red. So yellow if something's in progress, green if it's published, and red if there's something you need to address. And then you'll also be able to see the storefronts from there. So you can click this button to see the ebook details, which we'll do in a moment. But from here, you can also start your print book. We'll go through each of these. Automatically generated wraparound print cover from ebook front cover art. That is the coolest tool. You can see a little preview of it here. The print book will take your front cover, if you just gave us this image, and we will convert it to a full wraparound cover for including the back of your book. And we average the colors here, so you can see it picked up on the pink border and wrapped it around. And there's our little author photo and author bio, and there will be a book description here. So I'm not sure why that's not showing up in the preview, but there is one. So let's hover over this guy. We can auto-generate a print-ready cover from your ebook cover, or you can upload your own. So if you don't like the cover we generated here, you can upload one of your own. So don't worry, that's still an option. So if you had a designer, typically you'd have a designer design the full wraparound cover for your print book, and then you can clip the front cover for your ebook and your marketing thumbnail. Automatically generated interior. We can auto-generate a print-ready interior from your ebook, or you can upload your own. So if all you have is your ebook, a manuscript, the Word document or RTF that you uploaded, we can convert that to a print manuscript, and you get some of the same options as you get on the ebook with our little template tool. So you can even make it look nice. You can have a matte or glossy finish. Matte book covers are less reflective and give your art a more natural look. It won't show small scratches, fingerprints, or scuffs. Glossy covers show deeper, darker colors. So you get both of those as an option. Currently this is set at 5.5 by 8.5 for paperback, but the 2 to 3 page proportion is considered ideal for fiction trade paperbacks, making 5.5 by 8.5 one of the most popular trim sizes. Some stores base stock on shelf size, but with most sales occurring online, trim sizes become mostly based on opinion. So that is a long way to say there are several formats available, sizes available for your, what we call trim sizes available for your book. This is the most popular, 5.5 by 8.5. So we have that kind of set by default, but you can change that as things go by. Cream paper is the current setup for this, but you can also go with a white paper. That's usually preferred for nonfiction books. So you can check that out, and we can provide you with an ISBN for your print book. So right now, these are sort of the default settings, but all of this is adjustable when you click on Start a Print Book, which we'll cover in another video. And finally, you can get started on the audiobook version of your book with our partner, Findaway Voices. Now, if you go to them through us, you can get to Findaway. We are not affiliated directly with Findaway. They are just good friends. We have an affiliate relationship with them, basically, a little partnership. But you can go directly to Findaway Voices. If you already have your audiobook recorded, then you can bring that book in, and there's no charge. They won't charge you a thing. They have a model very similar to ours in which they make a profit when you sell a book through one of their distribution partners. So that's how you make money from that. They can also help you find a narrator for your book that can work within your budget. Within reason. If you go in expecting to pay $100, you will be disappointed. But if you go in, they will help you find someone who is talented and qualified and perfect for your book, and you can negotiate rates from there. If you go to them through us, we'll transfer all of the metadata and information about your book, the manuscript and everything, cover and all, to Findaway Voices, and you can skip their $49 admin fee. So now, this is a great tool. If you can get a print book and an audiobook to go along with your ebook, it will help you with increasing the odds of people trying you out and discovering you online. So we think these are important tools. So this step follows directly after the publishing step, and it's a great opportunity for you to hop on if you haven't already. If you've already got a print book, you won't see this option, and I believe the same is true for audiobooks. So if you've already published those and you're not seeing this on the ebook success page, don't worry. It just means that we recognize that stuff's already there. So now from here, you got a few places you can go. You can go see the ebook details page. You can start your print book. You can start your audiobook. You can even explore more about Findaway Voices, and you can go look at your view book detail page for updates. From here, because we are currently publishing an ebook, I'm going to click on See ebook details, and then in the next video, we're going to explore what that does.